Hi guys, Carl with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I get to show you a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX, brand new to our lot, and of course it's in our showroom, so nice to look at inside. All white in color. We'll jump aboard and show you what she has. All right guys, down on the deck of this 250 SDX by Sea Ray. The boat's powered with a 300 Mercury outboard. Plenty of horsepower for this size boat. Get you where you want to go. Of course, and everybody knows Mercury. Great feature here on the aft of the boat. A very nice swim platform, seating facing aft or forward if you want to. It's adjustable both ways. And then one feature that I find to be the best about this boat is should you have a lot of people on board, want to sit in the cockpit, adjustable to make more space in the actual cockpit of the boat. Moving our way forward, again, that you can see all the seating that it shows. You'll have storage under each, cup holders for almost every seat throughout. You'll see those everywhere. Here at the helm, Simrad electronics. You're going to have your Fusion radio, everything you'll need in the Simrad: charts, graphs, depth finder, etc. And another really great feature about the 250 SDX is this does give you the head with a small berth as well. Great for the kids if they want to get out of the sunlight, just relax for a minute. Adjustable seating for the co-pilot, storage down center. And up front with the SDX, you do get the sun deck itself. Great seating up here, really nice. Again, cup holders for everybody. Radio, really nice entertainment spot. Beautiful boat here. It's got the sports tower in our showroom. Come take a look at it. Carl at MarineMax Panama City Beach.